Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel. Hi everyone, today I want to cover this topic of how to control your emotion in trading. Okay, in trading, one of the biggest enemy is what? Your emotions, correct? We have two emotions. One of them is greed and the other is fear. Okay, when the market is going up and everybody start to get greedy, they want to buy more and more. Okay, that is the greed part. And fear is when market collapse and people are fearful when they should be buying, they are actually selling. Okay, so this is the greed and fear. So today the topic is how to control and how to conquer your emotion in trading. The key is actually to have what we call systematic trading. What do you mean by systematic trading? So in systematic trading, the entry rules, right, and the exit rules are already predetermined before your event happened. Okay, let's say example, I give you a very simple idea. We heard of this thing called buy in May, go away, or sell in May, go away. You heard of this thing before, right? So if let's say we have this hypothesis that sell in May, go away, whether it will be profitable or not, so we can use what we call a back test. Okay, what we want to do is we want to test if I were to sell in May and then let's say we buy back 6 months later, somewhere in November, whether we will be profitable or not. So using this hypothesis, I can test my assumption, my hypothesis whether it's correct or not. So I will test all the stocks if I were to sell all the stocks in May and then buy back in November and then test it over a period of 20 years, 30 years. Then I will see the result. At the end of the day, or I look at the index, at the end of the day, is it more profitable than if I were to buy and hold? So let's say example, you will test the idea, if you sell in May and buy back in November, it is profitable, then what we have is an edge over buy and hold, then we use this edge into the future. So in the future, when it's not May, don't sell. If it's not November, don't buy back. Okay, this is an example of what we call a systematic trading. Okay, so next thing I want to share with you all is an idea that can help you to conquer your emotions. This is a very simple idea how you can actually use this to look at the trend. Okay, so for some of you all know, I always use what we call the 20 MA and the 40 MA. I use this very often. In 20 MA represent the traders, the 40 MA is the investor or the bank's line. Okay, so what I do is from here I can come up with a strategy, a very simple strategy that can help me to maneuver in the market. Give it a very simple idea. What we're going to look at here is the 20 weeks moving average, okay, 20 weeks moving average, and the 40 weeks moving average. So we have two lines, okay, we have two lines. This one line is the 20 weeks and moving average, and then we have another line. This line is the 40-week moving average. So a very simple idea, please back test for yourself. A very simple idea is when the price or when the moving average, the 20 cross above the 40 MA, that will be my buy signal. Okay, this will be my buy signal. And when the 20 cross below my 40-week moving average, this will be my sell signal. Okay, this is an example of a very simple strategy. Okay, it will not work in all markets. Example, when the market is sideways, it will not work. It works in certain stocks when the stocks are very trending. It will work very well. Okay, we have a system to actually scan for stocks that are looking for very trending stocks. Okay, I don't have enough time to go into how this works, but when you're able to identify a very trending stock and then you apply this over a period of time, then you can edge over the market. Okay, so this is an example of a strategy or an idea that you can use in systematic trading. Okay, if you have more time, we can go into details of what you mean by systematic trading. We also have a course, okay, called Systematic Trader course. Feel free to attend if you have time. See you at the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you all want to find out more about our flagship Systematic Trader course, click on the link below to find out more. So, if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.